Welcome back to the channel, tech fans. We've got something really special to share with you today. If your home theater audio feels flat, lifeless, or just plain missing something, prepare to have your ears and your expectations blown away. Today, we're diving deep into the Hisense AX5140Q 5.1.4 channel soundbar. And trust me, this isn't just another soundbar. It's an experience transformer. For years, we've settled for the often underwhelming built-in speakers of our TVs. But what if I told you that you could elevate every movie night, every gaming session, and every music listening experience to a whole new dimension without breaking the bank? That's precisely what the Hisense AX5140Q promises, and after spending significant time with it, I can confidently say it delivers. Let's talk about the absolute star of the show, its incredible 5.1.4 channel configuration. Now, what does that really mean for you? Picture this: 6 front-firing speakers, 2 powerful up-firing speakers for dedicated surround speakers, and a thunderous 6.5-inch wireless subwoofer. This isn't just sound around you, it's sound enveloping you from every angle. Imagine a car chase where the engines rumble behind you, the screech of tires zips from side to side, and the helicopter blades chop overhead. With the AX5140Q, you don't just watch the action, you're inside it. This setup fills your room with powerful, distortion-free audio that makes you feel like you've brought the cinema right into your living room. It transforms passive viewing into an active, breathtaking experience. And here's where it gets truly exciting: the inclusion of Dolby Atmos and DTS X technology. These aren't just buzzwords. They're the keys to unlocking truly three-dimensional audio. Unlike traditional surround sound that places audio on a horizontal plane, Dolby Atmos and DTS X introduce height channels. This means sounds can seemingly flow from above you, creating an incredible sense of immersion. Think of rain falling from the ceiling in a movie scene, or a jet flying over your head in a game. This object-based audio heightens your sense of reality, pulling you deeper into the content and making every moment more impactful. You'll hear details you never knew existed, bringing your favorite films and games to life in an entirely new way. But great audio doesn't mean much if your video quality takes a hit, right? That's why the Hisense AX5140Q thoughtfully includes 4K HDR Pass-Thru. This is a crucial feature that ensures your stunning 4K and high dynamic range video signals pass through the soundbar without any degradation. So, you get to enjoy the vibrant colors, incredible contrast, and crisp detail of your 4K HDR content exactly as the creators intended, all while bathing in the glorious, immersive sound this system provides. You won't have to compromise on either visual fidelity or audio performance. It's a seamless, premium audiovisual experience. Beyond these core features, Hisense has packed in even more value. You get wireless music streaming via Bluetooth 5.3, making it incredibly easy to blast your favorite tunes or podcasts directly from your phone. There are 7 quick-touch EQ modes on the remote, allowing you to instantly optimize sound for movies, music, or news. It's also Roku TV ready with Easy Play, simplifying your setup if you have a compatible Roku TV. Plus, features like high concerto and room calibration ensure your audio is perfectly tuned for your specific space. The Hisense AX5140Q isn't just a soundbar. It's an invitation to rediscover your entertainment. It's about transforming ordinary viewing into an extraordinary journey, making every moment more vivid, more engaging, and more alive. If you're ready to stop just watching and start truly experiencing your content, this is the upgrade you've been waiting for. Don't just upgrade your sound. Elevate your entire world of entertainment. Ready to bring this cinematic magic home? You can find the link to the Hisense AX5140Q, along with all the detailed specs, in the description below. Go!